Hello friends, hope doing well. Welcome to Crochet Connect. I will let you know how to make this a beautiful crochet heart. You can use this heart as a pleat on sweaters, bags, mufflers. It is very easy to make this heart. I will let you know how to make this heart. Let's first make a magic ring. Then make 2 chains and 3 double crochet. Once you make 3 double crochet, make 2 half double crochet. Once after making half double crochet, make 1 double crochet and then 2 half double crochet and again we will make 3 double crochet. After that make 2 chains and pull a thread little bit and make a slip stitch in the center. After that cut a thread and pull both the threads and make it little tight and put and sew these threads at the back, and crochet heart is ready, which is very easy and simple to make. You can make beautiful colorful hearts of different colors and attach it to your bags, mufflers. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and click on subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.